In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Weavy AI. Weavy AI handles animation differently from traditional tools. Instead of keyframing every move like you might in compositing software, you guide motion using prompts and model settings that translate your idea into smooth image-to-video animation. Think of your prompt as the director's note and the model as your camera crew. First, open Weavy AI and start a new project. Head to the platform, click Create Project, and choose Image to Video. This mode is designed for animation and will give you the most control over motion while keeping your original image as the anchor. Next, upload your image. This can be a character, a product, or a full scene. Aim for a high-quality, well-lit, sharp image. Clear edges, good contrast, and a focused subject lead to more stable motion. If you're working with a portrait, make sure the face is unobstructed. For products, a clean background helps the system read shapes and reflections accurately. Now, choose the right model. This is a crucial step. The model largely defines the style and realism of your animation. You'll typically see options like Seedance 2.0 or Seedance 2, which excel at cinematic animation. They produce smooth camera moves and realistic motion in faces, objects, and scenes, making them ideal for ads, storytelling, and product showcases. Other video models, when available, can generate results faster and with more stylized or experimental movement. They're less realistic, but great for creative effects or quick concept tests. Match the model to your goal before you write the prompt. If you want realistic animation, ads, or product videos, choose Seedance 2. If you're exploring stylized looks or need quick iterations, try the other models. With your model selected, write the animation prompt. This is your motion control. Tell the AI exactly how to animate. Keep it clear and specific. For subtle face animation, you might write subtle head movement, natural blinking, soft breathing motion, realistic facial micro-expressions. For cinematic camera work, try slow zoom in, shallow depth of field, smooth handheld camera movement, cinematic lighting shifts. For product spins, use slow 360-degree rotation, studio lighting reflections, smooth orbit camera, commercial style. Focus on movement, camera behavior, and lighting changes, and avoid conflicting instructions. Finally, connect your image and prompt to the selected model and run it. The system will interpret your prompt in the context of the uploaded image and generate the animation accordingly. That's the full workflow: project, image, model, prompt, and run. Clear, efficient, and powerful.